It's fall and I'm preparing my garden bed for next year. But how I do my worm castings for my garden is I tilled up the previous soil and then I added my worm castings to the soil to help mix in and make it a better mixture. I will be using my own fertilizer as of starting next year. When fall comes, I'll add leaves on top of this and then let that break down. A little bit going on in my garden. I got a watermelon right here. There's a watermelon right there, but I think squirrels or something got to it. The worm castings were added to this as well. And what I do is when I sort and sift my worms out, I'll get as many as I can and put them back into the bins. But the ones that don't make it go into my little garden containers, my grow bags or whatever, to help fertilize my soil. So there's a few worms and they'll be fine. Once I put the leaves over these beds, it will have some insulation. But yeah, that's my goal. I will never buy store-bought fertilizer anymore. I will start making my own. Just keep using my worms to help me have a better harvest next year. Well, here's another video to find out and learn more about worms. Thank you for taking time out to watch this. You have a great day. Bye.